There are people who are born from the day one as witches. They are born from the stomach of their mother as witches, and there are those who come are trained, or they go to buy the witches for the purposes of what they want to do. A witch who was born a witch, they have the power even to bring down a bird from the air. They have the power to speak anything against you, and anything against your business, anything against your family, anything against your children, and that thing just happens. And then you resort to go to a witch doctor to help you get a baby. So the baby you get, if you have ever gone to a witch doctor and they gave birth to a baby, this baby is not a normal baby, it's a spiritual baby. And therefore this spiritual baby is out of the enchantment of charms. The enchantment of witchcraft, the spirit of witchcraft was involved in the production of these babies. Therefore, this baby is a product of witchcraft. Therefore, this baby, from the word go, will grow a witch, because the foundation of the baby is that of a witch. See, our children in the university, instead of them becoming good brains for the use of the society, they become brains that is used to destroy the society. They are recruited in the university, then they are trained to recruit more in the university into the devil worshipping, into witchcraft, and that is now what translates into occultism.